The 30-degree cable kickback trains the glute medius, developing what's commonly called the top shelf of the glutes. To set up, set the cable to knee height. With your leg in line with the cable, take one big step back and one step toward the working side. This should create a 30 to 45 degree angle with the cable. Next, lean forward, supporting yourself with your arm on the non-working side. Engage your core by stacking your ribs over your pelvis by crunching slightly. Lastly, if your gym has one available, use a dowel for stability to hold onto with your free hand. Here I just use a random bar, which I wouldn't recommend as it can slip. For the action, on the concentric, kick your leg back, matching the 30 to 45 degree angle of the cable. Allow your foot to slightly rotate outward. Ensure you get a nice squeeze in the glute at the top of the movement. On the eccentric, allow your leg to sweep across the supporting leg and raise upward as it gets closer to the pulley. For proper alignment, focus on maintaining a neutral spine and avoid hyperextending or arching your lower back at the top of the movement. And lastly, aim to keep your hips square and avoid rotating your body throughout.